Hey guys, welcome back. Here's the 2001 YZ250F we've been working on. Went ahead and did an 03 to 05 body conversion because I have all these parts laying around from bikes that I've parted out. Um, Pretty simple. Need the subframe off the newer bike. Need to grind the frame a little bit so that the upper subframe mount fits. It was just about a 1/4 inch on either side that I ground off. I decided to grind the frame instead of the subframe because I didn't want to compromise these welds on the subframe. So other than that, you need the gas tank and all the plastic. But where my luck continues is here with the motor. The last video we got her running, and as you can see here, the lower rod bearing has seized up on me. So went ahead and pulled the top end. There's lots of videos out there on taking the top ends off of these bikes, so I didn't worry about making a video on that. Um, Sorry about that. But we're going to pull the motor and get it ready to put a new Yamaha crank in it and see how she runs after that. So if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and shoot me a comment with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down. Romantic, isn't it? Shut up and sit down.
Well, here's the motor. Took a couple hours to get out with that swing arm pivot bolt refusing to come out of the swing arm. But we'll get her cleaned up real good and start tearing it down, see if we can get a new Yamaha crank in this week and get it in the bike and see how she runs.